Assalamualaikum. I am Nur Ain Nadia binti Syapril, a researcher from NanoCat, Universiti Melaya. I'm representing our research group led by Professor Dr. Muhammad Rafi'i bin Johan and also co-researcher Dr. M.A. Muttalib bin Hussein. So we are here today to exhibit our research finding, which is 7-in-1 Halal PCR kit, where it is a multiplex PCR kit where can detect 7 highly consumed meat in the world. Nowadays food fraud happen in the food manufacturing industries, so that food fraud can mainly affect on the business development, where and also issues on food safety issues. That's why the main point where we develop this PCR kit, where it can detect 7 highly meat species, which is cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, chicken, duck, and also a pig in a single test. So this research will have a significant impact on food safety, where adulteration can be detected, the meat source of the food product also can be detected, whether it is original species or not. So I think this research will be contribute to the society as well. Thank you.